Hello friends and welcome to Dr. Sudhir's classes for IAS exam. In this video, we are going to cover general knowledge, that is GK, for Haryana Civil Service exam. So first we will start with the geography of Haryana. So here we will see the drainage system of Haryana. The drainage system of Haryana is divided into two parts. Number one, the rivers in the northern drainage system. Number two, the rivers in the southern drainage system. So let's begin with rivers in northern drainage system. The rivers of Haryana in the northern drainage system originates from the Shivalik ranges of Himalayan mountains. Therefore, they are mostly perennial. The rivers in this system are, so there are total 7 rivers in this system originating from northern Haryana. Number 1, Yamuna river. Number 2, Saraswati river. Number 3, Ghaggar river. Number 4, Markanda river. Number 5, Tangri river. Number 6, Shautang river, and number 7, Raka river. So we'll start with first, that is your Yamuna river, a very famous river. The ancient name of the Yamuna is Yami. That is, remember, Yami. It is an important question for your Haryana Civil Service exam. Yami. It originates from Yamunotri glacier on the Bandar Punch range at an altitude of 6330 meter above the mean sea level in the state of Uttarakhand. It forms the eastern boundary of Haryana with Uttar Pradesh. That is eastern boundary. It enters Haryana near the Kalisar forest, which is located in Yamunanagar district. It flows through the eastern boundary of the district of Yamunanagar, Karnal, Panipat, Sonipat, and leaves Haryana near the Hasanpur in the district of Faridabad. At Tajewala barrage, that is built in 1870 in the district Yamunanagar, the water of the Yamuna river is diverted to the Yamuna canal for irrigation. This river, that is Yamuna river, flows for 20 km in the state. It is a perennial river. Now we'll see the tributaries of Yamuna river. River Som Thapna, Sahibi and Patrala are its main tributaries. Okay. Now next important river is Saraswati river. The ancient Saraswati river flows from Yamunanagar, but it has now disappeared. Saraswati river have drained the north and northwestern region of India, including Haryana and Punjab in the ancient times. Saraswati originates from Har Ki Dun glaciers in West Garhwal, again Uttarakhand. The ancient sites in Kunal and Banwali in district Fatehbad, these two sites are in district Fatehbad, has been found on the bank of this river. Sapt Sindhu is the name given for the region bounded by Saraswati river in the east and Sindhu in the west. At present, this river can be seen seasonally in the form of small streams originating from Shivalik hills. Remember, it is Shivalik hills. Narha Tari Tirth, that is one religious place mentioned in the Mahabharata, is situated on the bank of this river. It enters Haryana from Adi Badri in Yamuna Nagar district. So remember, its entry in Haryana. It flows from the town of Bhawanipur, Balchapar, Kheda, Pewa and Sirsa. On the bank of this river, Maharishi Ved Vyas, a famous personality, had compiled Mahabharata. So remember these important fact about Saraswati. Now we come to Ghagar river. It originates from the Shivalik range near a place called Dagshahi in the Solan district of Himachal Pradesh at the height of 1927 meter. Remember this height. It enters Haryana near Pinjore in Panchkula, very beautiful place, where it flows about 292 km in a southwest direction. After passing through Ambala, Kaithal and Fatehbad as well as Sirsa, it reaches Bikaner in Rajasthan and finally disintegrate in Hanumangarh in Rajasthan. It is a non-perennial river. Jhagra, Markanda, Tangdi, Shautang and Kaushalya, these five are the tributaries of Ghagar river.